Today, I am reviewing HP 17-inch touchscreen business laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop that perfectly balances power, design, and practicality for business, study, and entertainment, the HP 17-inch touchscreen business laptop is an absolute gem in the 2025 lineup. HP has done a great job of combining performance and usability in this model, making it an ideal machine for professionals, students, and creators who need both speed and reliability. Let's dive deep into what makes this laptop worth every penny. Starting with the performance, this HP 17 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor, a 6-core, 12-thread chip with a base frequency of 2.4 GHz and a max turbo boost up to 4.3 GHz. That's impressive for a thin and portable business laptop. Whether you're handling spreadsheets, doing heavy multitasking, working on digital content, or even editing light videos, this processor handles it all with ease. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics further enhances visuals, making media playback, casual gaming, and creative tasks smooth and visually pleasing. Now, when it comes to memory and storage, this is where the HP 17 really stands out from the competition. This particular configuration offers a massive 64 GB of DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 2 TB solid-state drive. That's right. 64 gigs of RAM means you can open dozens of browser tabs, multiple design tools, or virtual machines simultaneously without lag. And that 2 TB SSD ensures ultra-quick boot times, blazing file transfers, and more than enough room for all your business documents, project files, and entertainment libraries. If you're someone who values speed and smooth workflow, this laptop is built for you. Moving to the display, HP has equipped this model with a 17.3-inch HD Plus touchscreen that's both large and responsive. The touchscreen adds an intuitive layer of interaction, letting you tap, swipe, and zoom your way through apps, presentations, and media. With its anti-glare coating and 250 nit brightness, you'll enjoy comfortable viewing even in brightly lit environments. Whether you're working on a spreadsheet, watching a movie, or editing photos, the visuals are crisp, vibrant, and clear. Design-wise, HP has kept things sleek and minimal with a silver finish that gives the laptop a professional and modern appeal. Despite its large screen, it's impressively slim at just 0.81 inches thick and weighs around 4.6 pounds, making it portable enough for meetings, classrooms, or travel. The full-size keyboard includes a dedicated numeric keypad, which is extremely convenient for those who handle data entry, accounting, or spreadsheet-heavy work. While the keyboard is non-backlit, it's still comfortable to type on for long periods thanks to HP's well-spaced keys and ergonomic layout. One of the best parts about this laptop is the connectivity. You get Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable wireless performance, along with Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless pairing with your wireless devices. The port selection covers all the essentials: a USB-C port for data transfer, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI output for external monitors, and a headphone/microphone combo jack. This versatility makes it ideal for hybrid work setups or multimedia presentations. The 720p HD webcam with dual microphones ensures clear and crisp video calls, making it perfect for business meetings, online classes, and virtual collaborations. Battery life is another area where HP has optimized performance efficiently. Thanks to the Ryzen 5 processor's power management and HP's energy-efficient design, you can expect long hours of use on a single charge, more than enough for a full day of work or study. It's powered by a 45-watt-hour lithium-ion battery, which supports fast charging for added convenience. On the software side, this laptop runs Windows 11 Pro, giving you a secure, business-ready experience with all the enhanced productivity tools you could need. Features like BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, and domain join make it perfect for professionals, while Windows Copilot AI integration makes everyday computing smarter and more efficient. Now, HP didn't just stop at great hardware. They've bundled this laptop with a 5-in-1 SXK accessory kit, making it an even better deal. You'll get a pair of Bluetooth earbuds, an electronic cleaning kit, a USB-C hub, a 3-in-1 charging cable, and an additional USB-C cable. Overall, the HP 17-inch touchscreen business laptop is a powerful, reliable, and feature-rich machine that hits all the right notes for 2025. It's perfect for professionals who want desktop-level performance in a portable form, students who need a future-proof device for school and projects, and creatives who appreciate both power and screen space. The combination of the Ryzen 5 7430U processor, 64GB RAM, 2TB SSD, touchscreen functionality, and Windows 11 Pro makes it one of the most well-rounded laptops in its category.